Hello, my dear professor and group mates. Now I'm going to share my results on the empirical project in which I investigated factors that explain the language use and language use variations in my family uh, in online communication. I will try to operate with some different theoretical models, concepts, and methodologies we covered in this course, Multilingual Society. So here are the research questions. What are the patterns of language use in the family's online communication? And what are the attitudes of different family members towards language choice and why? Um, Here you can see some details on participants and concept. So there are 6 participants in our family, 6 people in our family. All bilinguals use Kazakh and Russian languages in daily conversations, and age from 24 to 60. I divided into 2 groups, adults and young adults, where adults are my parents. And here we go. So during the analysis of the family group chat in WhatsApp Messenger, I revealed some similarities and differences. In similarities, we can see that different language choice used in different topics and domains by both age groups, and both age groups use simultaneous code switching and code mixing. Some differences: adults are more tend to use short messages rather than long messages. They are not so active in online discussions. Are more likely to use Kazakh language, but use it with voice messaging. It can be explained that uh, they went to Russian medium school in college. That's why they feel more confident in Russian text, but make some spelling mistakes in written Kazakh. That's why they mostly use voice messages. Young adults actively participate in digital communication. You can say that there is a uh, same same patterns of lifestyle diglossia when younger generation, due to their close life to digital tools, are more likely to use more new words and ar- participate more actively than adults. Modern lifestyle, say. Uh, Also, young adults use Russian text mostly, use voice messages in Kazakh also, but it is in case when they try to explain broader things with simple words, or just to speak, to communicate faster. And there are some patterns of language used by adults and young adults, especially code switching and code mixing, and that was under my focus. Here you can see some examples from the chart. Here in blue color, some Kazakh words, red color, Russian words. Find some apples, take yellow ones. The red come rotten, but choose light red ones if possible. And another 2 examples of the same character when there is a code switch. Also code mixing because of the changing of endings of words and so on. Domain is family chat purpose without realizing it. Uh, I I found out about the purpose during the face-to-face interviews. I explained why am I doing it, and I explained some definitions of terms, and after it, I asked them questions about their attitudes toward language choice and code mixing. So I found out that adults are more likely to avoid mixing languages, tend to use Kazakh in daily topics, but feel more confident in Russian if it's about business topics or work domains. Young adults are quite similar, only mm, we can see that there is a only difference in using some transliterations. They use English words in Russian in Cyrillic script rather than Roman script, and so on. And they also always avoid mixing languages, especially in work domains. If uh, some some of them use only Kazakh, some of them use only Russian. It depends on the company they work. And for the conclusions, the investigation indicated the code switching as a main feature, specific pattern of language use in our family interaction, especially in family chat rather than other communicating with other people. In addition, it revealed that attitudes of both groups towards language choice and code switching are quite similar. It can be explained by the macro context in the Kazakhstan, uh, that both Russian and Kazakh languages are equally used in uh, most domains, and in societal level. And it is easy to distinguish that Russian is a high variety as it's used more often by all participants for more formal conversations. So when it's formal conversations, both age groups are likely to say that mostly they use Russian. So thank you for your attention, and now I'm ready for questions. You can also type questions on the video in this website, and I will see it. Thank you.